Hello guys, in this video we are going to be performing CRUD operation on a security group. So first we have to make a authentication, means connection, or you can say login into a AWS account. For accounts you need two information: access key and secret key. Let's keep this information. And second, we have to use a command to log into a AWS account. Initialize default configuration. Here you have to use the access key dollar access key, then secret key, and then you have to put here region name. So what is the name? AP-South. So this one I'm going to use. So till here we are making a connection to AWS account. And now we have to perform the operation, CRUD operation on security group. So how we can perform? First we have to read security group. To perform this CRUD operation, we need to be in one module, that is an EC2 service module. We need to be import -module. Then you have to put here aws.tools.ec2. Then you have to be work with. Let's perform our operation. Read security group. How we can perform? We have a command get -ec2 security group, right? And let's run this one. First we have to run these all, right? Let's. And if you want, you are not able to see exactly, so let me convert into a format table so that you can see the visualization good. So this is look like better to understand. So we are able to read, right? So if you want to make a filter, how you can filter on this? So you have to use it like this: add name equal colon values, and here you can pass it. So what you can do, you can use a group name. So for that, let's copy this one first and use get -help and paste here and use parameter filter. Hit enter. Let's see what are the name is available. So on the basis of that we can filter. Description, on the basis of description you can filter, and there is a lot of group ID, group name. So let's me filter on the basis of a group name. So I will keep here group name and value. Now you can see group name value we have filter already. So let's filter only default. So let's go with this one and paste here, run it. So we are able to get these default instances. So let's see how you can perform a create operation security group. How we can create? We have to use a new -ec2 in security group, and here you have to pass like a group name. First I will give PS group. Here I will keep the description testing group powers. What you can put here, you can put also tag specification. There's a lot of information is available, so you can pass, but I'm not going to pass that one. So I'm just giving this one. Let's run it. And now you can see security group is returning. You can verify this here and come to here security, refresh here. Now you can see PS group, security group name. For example, if you want to be update any information of a security group, how you can perform an update, how you can delete security group, right? So we have a remove -ec2 security group, and then here you can pass group name and group ID as per your requirement, whatever you want to. Let's me keep the security group ID, and we have this one. So I'm going to delete this one. Let's paste here in an inverted comma. Okay, and run it. So it is prompting, so just to do one thing, confirm $false, and now run this one. Let's verify PS group has been deleted. Right, so let me create and again this one group. So we had created this one again, so we are able to perform this operation. Now we have to understand how you can add a rule. Let's open here. There is a inbound rule and outbound rule. So if you come here, right, so inbound rule, you will find there is a one rule is available, all traffic is allowed, right? So if you want to allow here like a SSH rule, how you can add this rule. So let's come to there, and there is only inbound rule, right? So how you can add this rule. Let's come to here, add security inbound rules or IP permission. So how we can do it? So you are going to be allow the permission is grant. So we have a grant -ac to security group ingress egress. So ingress is used for inbound. So let's here you have to put the security group ID or name. So I will keep this one security which we had created, right? So for that I will add one more permission. I will grant it to this security group and I will apply here permission. So like a $rule. So how we can add this? So instead of putting like that, you have to be create an object for that. How you can create this object? So like that here you have to be create a rule equal new hyphen object, and here you have to use a same Amazon dot AC dot model dot IP permission. Now you can see we have to put from port we have a 22 and rule port 2 port. You have to use 2 port equal also 22, and here one more thing you have to give the information to creating a rule IP range rule dot IP ranges. And let's keep here what range we are going to be give here. All traffic I want to be give .0.0.0/0. Right, so we have to be enclosed in a inverted comma. So like that, the information you have to be give to make it a rule. So you have created this rule, and now let's add this one. So it is giving an error because we have not run from here. So let's run from here. One information is left. $rule dot protocol. Protocol you don't have to miss. We have to be pass here. TCP protocol we are using. Right. Let's copy and run it. Now we go to this security group rule ID. 3B, right? Let's verify here, and we have this one information, right? Let's come to here, inbound rules. Now you can verify here. Now you can see here we have attached this security group, right? Custom all. If you want to be add one more like a which one HTTP. So we have an 80. So how you can add this one? Let's come to here. We have to change this one 80 and 80. Let's run again. You will get an idea so that you can understand. We have run this one, and let's verify here. Right, and which one? PS group, right? Inbound rules. Now you can see we had added 2 TCP rules, HTTP and this one. And if you want to add egress So there is a one security group is allowed all traffic. I want to add here one more traffic for this one IP I want to be added. So how you can add it? So just use this one exact same. You just have to put here, and instead of ingress you have to use egress. That's it. Let's run. Now you can see we had added this HTTP, and if you want to be remove this one, how you can remove? So we have a command for removing this security group rule, delete rule. How you can revoke hyphen AC2 security group rule ingress egress. Ingress I'm going to use, and which rule and from which ID you want to be. So let's paste here, and I will use. So using this we can delete, and on the basis of a security group ID, so you can also delete, right? So we are passing this IP permission. So instead of creating this, you can use only security rule ID to delete. So let's perform same operation with the ingress, right? How we can perform this ingress. So revoke hyphen security group ingress, right? So here we have to use the group ID, and same thing from this group I'm going to delete another security group rule ID, right? So like that, using this you can also perform. Let's see inbound rule, and here we have this security group. I'm going to delete this one. Let's copy and paste here, and let's run this one. So we had run this one, and let's refresh it. Now you can see there is a one only. So like that you can delete this one.